So today we are going to understand what is the models, what is the package. We have to learn briefly. Okay. So now, what do you understand? Do you have any idea about the models and package?
No, sir. No.
No. So, like, just imagine you are building your own house. Okay.
Okay.
So, you need several things, right, to
Yes, sir.
your own house. So you will get
Yes.
several questions in your mind. Okay, like this: will you make your own bricks? Will you make your own fan? Will you make your own buyers? Right? So no, you will. You can't make everything. Right? So what
Yes, sir.
you do? You simply buy ready-made things and use them. Right? So Python works exactly same way. So I mean, instead of writing every code from scratch, Python already provides thousands of ready-made codes called models. Okay,
Yes, sir.
whatever ready-made things in a course which we get from the Python are called modules. Right? Understood? I have mentioned here, like here is a model is a simplify a Python file .py that groups related function variable or classes so other files can reuse. Then instead of the duplicating code, right? So what is the mean here? Contain function add or like a subtract, multiply, divides we can use, and then why model the modularity reuse easier than testing like a cleaner project structure like this. What does that mean? It's like we will learn how to them create how to create our own models, organize them into package, explore the most useful built-in models using read read projects. So what does that mean here? I want to tell you what will I teach you in the last moment. Let's see. I'm going to open my this is a Jupyter notebook. I opened a Jupyter notebook. I'm going to open this one Python. Okay, and I'm creating here this new one. Okay, what a problem here. Let's see. Should be open. Jupyter. Okay, no problem. Then I use here collapse. Collapse is also fine to use this. You can also get it right. No problem.
Yes.
Want to waste my time, I can also open Jupyter, but it will waste my time. So it's better to use collapse. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So no. So now what we are going to learn today, let's see. I make some comments here. So what is a model? Model. Okay. Second, we will learn what is the package. What is a package? Package. Okay. Understood this? You understood
Yes, sir.
a model? You know how to create an import statement. Import statement, right? And like a create your own model. How to create your own model? Create your own model. Okay. Now, like how to build in model. So like a make will in module, right? And like rename modules, like a rename modules, okay? And then like math modules, right? Math modules, how to use math modules, okay? Then data time modules, right? How to use data time modules. And the last one we learn OS modules. OS. Okay, now so I give you one more example. Please tell me. Okay, imagine imagine you
Okay, sir.
own school. You have
Okay.
own school, and then
Okay.
there's a multiple or there are many
Mm,
classrooms. So
mm,
one room teach math, right?
mm,
Rooms teach science, one room teach English.
mm,
Each room has its own teacher. Understood? So one teacher teach in one room math, and teachers teach another room in science or English. Same thing. So each room has its own teacher. Instead of mixing everything into one room, you organize everything separately. Am I right?
yes, sir.
So programming following the same idea. It means programming
Yes.
following the same idea. Instead of like manually using one by one, you can make one program, organize everything separate,
Mm,
right? So instead of the
yes.
thing 1,000 of the line in the uh, in one file, so we divide code into different files. These files are called modules. So many related modules together become a package. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now, what should I tell you here? Here you can see, here you can see the model simplify like a one file groups. Okay, this is a one group. So related the function variable class or other files can use them instead of the duplicate code. So what is the mean here? It's a mean
Mm,
like is
mm,
model is whatever we are writing these some lines or multiple lines, okay, and organize, okay, and divide into different files. So these files are the models. Okay, now I explain here. Okay. So like I create a new code, okay, or like here is a file, new file. What I'm going to here open a new file, okay. Let's see, open new like this is okay, new notebook in Drive. Okay,
yes, sir.
new notebook if I create, okay, and then multiple lines if I write some multiple files we have. These calls the modules like this item. So you can change the file name as well. Whatever you want the file name, you can make it. Okay, but unfortunately my Jupyter is not working. That's I'm unable to show you, but I can show you. So what is a mean here? I can write here. So model means here putting thousands of line, putting thousand of line of the code. Okay, line in one file. In one file, we divide code, right? So what file? We can divide code into different files, into different files. Am I right? So those
Yes.
files are called models. those those files called those files are called model. Understood? What is the mean?
Yes.
I can write.
So shall we try my laptop because yours isn't open?
Sorry.
I can't try me. No, you said in your laptop it is still open. Why can't try in my laptop, sir?
No problem. Let's see. First we have to understand, then we will try. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Okay, there's some issue. Okay, I will solve it and we'll work on this. That's not a problem. That's not an issue. Okay, don't you worry about it. Okay, you understood this? What is a model? Like I tell you, if I write here this, okay, and then give an example. Okay, so it's a model. Now I can make it another word. Another word is like a model is a simplified Python file. A model is simply a Python file, or we can make like this .py file containing function variables variables or classes, right? So these are called the models, right? I can also write, say this. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now think of like a notebook. One notebook is one module. If you have any notebook and I call one notebook is a one model, like I give you example. Now I give you one example. Here I will give the example. Okay. Suppose calculator pi. So if I open the one file or create a one file in Jupyter, okay, and write the name or rename the file or make a file name like a calculator dot py. Okay. So now inside the calculator, what we can write? We can write def add a into v. Am I right? Am I right? Then
Yes, sir.
return a plus v. Then same I make another one def subtract, like subtract subtract subtract. I think this is the correct one. Subtract. What is the subtract? I think is wrong here. A into v. Saying a into v. If I here make here return a minus v. So what is the mean here? It's like this file is called a module. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Or you can say these entire file. This entire file is a module. What is the mean here? I can write it means this entire entire file is called a module. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now you understood this now?
Yes, sir.
Oh, that's great. Now have another question in your mind. Suppose if I am learning from you, so what will I ask you question? Why models do we need? Right? Your question is now why do we need or why do we need models, right? So I tell you, I give you one more example. Suppose without model, everything inside one file, okay? Without models, without without model models models, everything inside one file, one file. What one file? Like this. I make this example like a 5,000 lines, am I right? And then I make it 10,000 line, or I make here 20,000 lines, am I right? What is the mean here? It is difficult to understand. It is difficult to understand, read, am I right? Understood here?
Yes, sir.
Now I give you one more example. Now, if I make with my modules, like I make some modules, how can let's now I write with modules. Then how is means? Then means I can make something like this math.py, am I right? Or like students.py, student.py, right? Then I like employees.py, employees.py. These are file names, okay? And then I salary.py, salary.py. I make here login.py. So what is the mean here? Everything become easy. What is the mean here? Everything become easy, or everything become easy to organize, easy to organize. Am I right? Am I right?
Yes, sir.
What is the advantage? What are the advantage? What are the advantage? Why I'm teaching you like this? Because it is very important to understand. Okay, that's I'm teaching you again. What is the advantage here? Advantage here, we use code. We use code. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Second advantage, like a better organize. Better organize. Okay. And easy to maintain. Right? Easy to maintain. Am I right? Now, easy teamwork, you can say. Yes, easy teamwork. Am I right? Now, so you
Yes,
understood what is the package, how can, sorry, what is the models, how can make it now. That is very important. Now I will teach you, that is very important to understand how to import the statement. I already told you, I have written here the import statement. What is the mean here? That is very important. Without importing the statement, you can't create the models on package. So how can we use another models? Okay, how be like how do we need to import? What is the first? We understand the syntax of import. What is syntax of import? Am I right? Let's see. I understand this. So simple syntax import here is like write it like this here. Import. Always we start from the small capital, small words or lower letters like import model
Lowercase.
module name, whatever name. So this is this syntax. Okay. Now I want to show you how to import here. That is very important. Okay. Now what I'm going to import here, import math. Am I right? Import math. If
Yes.
here print math dot sqrt make it 25. Let's see what will be the output here. It takes some time. Okay, let's see. So what I'm going to do for making this comments. Let's see. I hope this will work. Otherwise, I will. Yeah, you can see it's working now, right? So what is the mean here? It's a SQRT. It's a square. What is the 25? It's like a 5. So it means math is already import. What is a math? Math is like a one model or can say library. Am I right? Is a model.
Yes.
Now I can give you here one more example. Like a
Sir, what is the definition for SQRT, sir?
okay, so like a square.
Yes, sir.
So like a 2 to square 25.
Yes, sir, I know.
2 square is like a 4. 3 square is a 9. 4 square is like a 16. 5 square is a 25. I can teach you like this here. You can see what is a square. What is square? Square in a Python. Let's see. You will get some idea. It's a square is a function. Okay, this square, the square root in a Python. This is a square root in a Python. The most direct efficient way is to use the square or math.square function from the build. So what is you understood now? So here is a summary of the four best way they have given. You can try, you can check yourself, you get. Okay. So this is a square root. Okay. Have you learned this?
Okay, sir.
Now
Yes,
I
sir.
give you one more example. Suppose, okay, so now I can write one thing before here. So here Python import math. Here Python import math. Am I right? Am I right? So what is the we have import? We have import math.
Yes, sir.
Now I will choose different. I make a different one. Like here I give one more example. Like 49. Let's see. What a 49 answer. 7. Am I right? Now,
Yes, sir.
so what import like import a specific function. So if you want a specific function, then how can you make this? Okay, or we can give the alias as well. Let's see. First, we can give the alias. How can we give the alias? Suppose I have imported this. Okay, I'm
Mm.
copying this, so I can save my time. I make new line only. So we have a new cell. Now I make here as M. What is the mean here if I make like this? So I have given this alias in a short name. Am I right?
Sir, A. Still A is there.
No problem. Still either we can remove the A. That's not a problem. What is the mean here?
Okay.
We have a given short name. Let's see. Whatever you understand, how can you write? How can you give the like you for your better understanding you can write? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, so I told you I want a specific function. What a specific function like a from how to create a specific from math I want import
Mm.
sqrt square root. Am I right? Square root I have done this. Okay, then I print s t, and what number should I take like 81. Let's see then what will be the answer. 9. So we can write like this. So it is mean here sqrt is imported from math. I tell you right here. S square root is imported from math Python. Am I right? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, please tell me yes or no, whatever. Now I have another question. I import multiple function in one line. How can
Mm.
I
Mm.
import multi multiple function, right? Function. Okay. So I can make here create one line here like a
Mm.
import specific function or specific function, right? Now multiple function. How can you same here? What we will do like a from math. I want from math how many import I want. Let's see import square root square root. Okay, and then for right. So here it means from import. So like from math is like a import, right? So but I don't want to recommend this. I make here multiple things. I don't want to recommend it here. Wait, yeah. Okay. Or I can. We have another things. How can like a one more example I can give you or import everything. Import everything. One line everything or import everything and make the comment. Or can become everything. Let's see. I make here from math import, right? Start.
Yes, sir.
Am I right? So, but I don't recommend this one everything. Let's see why. I make a comment. The comment
Mm.
don't recommend recommended in professional coding because they may conflict name may conflict or
Conflict.
duplicate,
Conflict. Duplicate.
right? So what is the mean here
Yes, sir.
now? Yeah. So you understood this, how can do this right now. So you now I want to create your own model. Let's see how to create your own models. Understood these things now, how to create your own models now. Suppose I'm going to make same example, def, okay. So it means we have to create like a first, okay, how to create on modules. What we will do first we need to create file, okay, like any name, any name, any name, calculate dot py. Am I right? And then I will write what I'm going to write. Write def define add. What add is a variable a, b variable, then return a plus b. Then again it's like a define multiply, right? And then I make a into b. Okay, then I make same like and same b turn a into b. Am I right? A into b.
Yes, sir.
So now, so we have a, this is a one similar. We will create, okay, another. So now similar, we can create another file, and then file name is then file name I put main main dot py. So another file name, and I then again I import here same like import calculator. Then I import here import calculator. Then print here calculator dot eight calculator. I can copy this calculator dot add. Then is a 10 and 20. Okay, am I right? And then again I print again multiply. What is the mean here? Wait, I'm going to copy this. Okay. Then calculate multiply. This
Yes, sir.
multiply. Make here 5 into 4. So what will be output? Output here output
Mm.
30, right? And,
Mm.
and 20, right?
Yes, sir.
You understood this? What I told you? 100% you understood this? So this is your first custom model. This is this is your first custom model.
What is my custom model, sir?
Custom model means custom yourself.
I'm customizing the data.
Yes, from your side. Okay. I will create this. Let's see, tomorrow I will show how to create. Okay, whatever we have learned. Okay, whatever we apply, but I want to just explain this how to do this. Okay, now,
Can you please give me task in this?
yeah, I'm giving this task. Okay, you can try yourself. This is your task. Okay, true. And then we will see tomorrow. Let's see. Okay, so you have to do
Okay.
yourself this now. Now I want to teach you. It means now you have a done. Now, what is a package? Now I want to understand the package. What is the package? What is the package? What is mean the package? I have already explained. So sometimes you got a call from the institutions, okay, or some like you can say some doctors, okay, some like a companies, right? So they called you, madam, you can buy from us and we will provide you the package. So what will be inside the package? Multiple things, like I give you an example. Suppose you want to go with the beautician, then she will tell you, ma'am, if you take a package, we will wash your hairs, right? We will
Yes.
massage your body. We will like make up your face. Okay, a lot of things I don't know. Okay, but I have given some idea. Okay, because you're a girl, right? A lot of things. So these are means like it's a package. Now in Python, suppose your project has 100 modules. Suppose
100.
that's your
For
projects.
example, what kind of project is that, sir?
Okay, that's I'm giving an example, right? Suppose you have a, or suppose your project has 100 models. Your projects, I write your project has 100 modules. Am I right? So
Yes, sir.
keep all in one folder. Can you keep all in one folder? No, we can't keep,
No, not sir.
right? Am I right? Why?
No.
Because 100 models is difficult to keep in one folder. So we create a folders. You will create a folders now. You need to create a folders. Need to create create folders. Am I right? The folders
Yes.
containing related models, right? And folders containing related modules are called package. Are called package. package. Am I right? So
Yes,
I
sir.
give you example. The school example I have given. Example like a school, right? The school. What do we need? School means we need students by students dot py, right? Another like a teachers dot py dot py, right? Then like a fees dot py, this file. What is the mean I'm writing? These are files. Fees dot this file, okay? And write exam, right? We need exam as well. Exam dot py. Am I right? So like a school, the package here means I want to tell you school is package. School, right? Inside these files, what are the programs we have written? These are the package. Am I right? So in real
Yes,
example, I can tell you like a real example in a bank. Okay, what is the mean? There are some like files like account, loan, customers, transactions. So these are the file or package. Sorry,
yes, sir.
package, because
Yes,
has these departments and they are working different. Somebody is managing account, somebody is giving the loan, somebody is a help to customers, solve the problems of the customer, and somewhere be transactions like a withdrawing money and depositing money. So they all include we call is a package. Do you understand?
yes, sir.
We can say models mean models like is equal to account loan customer. Okay, and a package means here is a whole bank. Got it my point? Now,
Yes, sir.
what I would like to understand built-in model, how to build in a model. See, I want to give you another example. Okay, just a minute, wait a minute.
Sure, sir.
In model, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Models, whatever you want, models, whatever. So, like, if you want build a models, what do you need here? So, suppose I want like a uh, Python already gives many ready-made modules, right? Python
Yes, sir.
many models. Python has many models. Python has many modules. Am I right? Now, okay, so like a mathematical calculation, random values, or OS operating system, date and time, statistics, etc. So no installation required. Am I right? So I give you example. What is models means Python has a how many models? We need math models. Now you can say random model.
Mm.
We can say date time, date time models, right? Or what we can say OS operating system models. OS. I give you example OS or OS operating system. System models. Okay, models, right? Or like can say I give one more example like statics is the statistics. Okay, so what is the mean here? I have given you multiples models name. Math means mathematical, random means like random values, OS means operating systems. Okay, date means date time, right? Date means date and time. Okay,
Yes, sir.
here shortcut date time. What is the mean here? These are the models. Okay, so we don't need to use install them. So here I can mention no need all them, just need to import, just we need to
Mm.
them them in Python,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So it means we have all the thing we have to use this, okay, to import. Now how can we, let's see, like a random means, okay, what is the means? Random means, I can give you another example. Random means, why do we need a random? Random means or random models used for the game, lottery, password, generator. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Random means using in game password,
Mm. Yes, awesome.
right? Or
Yes, sir.
lottery, and quiz application, quiz app.
Wi-Fi.
How to
Yes.
import this? Let's see now how to import.
So experience we can apply in a Wi-Fi hotspot also. Am I right, sir?
Yes, like simple import random. Just import it. Now, how can you use this? You can use like this. I give you example like print, then okay, random hot rand int. I make another like one. Then what is a mean 110? Like a possible output, sometimes 7, sometimes 6, sometimes 4, sometimes. So it's depend. We don't know what will we get the answer. The output is random, like sometime time 7, sometime 6, sometimes other value, right? Am I right? You can try whatever I'm writing. Okay, this is nothing else. You can try yourself. Okay, got it. So same
Mm.
we have learned math models. We have already learned. Am I right? Now I want to check power. What is the mean PW? PWO was a power. We have also learned power. Let's see. I give you one example. One more example. I give you mathematics. Okay. So let's see how can do this. Suppose import math. Am I right? How can we do this?
Yes, sir.
If I write here print and then make here math dot power can say power is it 2 into 5. Am I right? I can write it this. Let's see what is the mean here. What is the mean here? 32. Why? I tell you example. I give you how to. What is the power means? Power means 2 into 2. Sorry, 2 into 2 into 2, 1, 2, 3 into 2. So 2 to 4, 4 to 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 32. What it is equal to 32. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Now, many things, okay, wait, what about time? Time models? Time models, okay, I can give you one example, okay, date time models used in always every application, right? Like attendance. So what I'm going to here, right, okay, new. This is a very important one, which we have to learn. Date time models. Date time models. Am I right? How can we import this date time? Simple from date time import to date time. We can use like a from date time import to date time. Yeah, we got this. Let's see. Now, what is the mean here? If I run this, you can see whatever we got the time, today's time. Am I right? What
Yes, sir.
a year, whatever date, whatever time, everything we got right here.
Yes, sir.
Now, last one I'm going to teach you this is the operating system, how to use the operating system. So today we are going to I'm going to close this. Okay, this is a very important one because we have to use in pandas. Okay, pandas sometimes
Okay, sir.
whatever. So that's I'm teaching you this. This is the part of okay. Now,
Okay, sir.
if I tell about operating system model, what is the operating system model? OS or make is OS models is the operating model. So what is a mean operating system model? How can we simple here import OS, am I right? And
Yes, sir.
then what I'm going to do here, if I make here, then if allow Python to continue with the Windows, Linux or Mac, if using any operating system, okay, or any system, then it allow the Python to continue with Windows, Linux or OS, right?
Sorry, sir.
I write it. Wait. So it allows Python to continue with Windows, Linux, macOS, macOS, right? So what is the mean here? Whatever any window you are using, any operating system you are using, if we import OS, then we can use this Python. We can use the Python, write, we can write here any code, or we can, so what, how can, we can import OS, then print, I make here OS dot get CWD. Okay, let's see. What is the mean here? So what is the mean here? I just give you an example. So what is the mean here? It's a content. What does that mean here? It means the Python list Python import. Okay, so we get the file, whatever you have to write. So the current working folder name. What are current working folder names? Here is the main current working folder names. Whatever
अच्छा,
you will get because we are working in collabs. Okay, that's you are getting this. Okay, so what is that? It means if after printing this, okay, so output will come like this, like a C content, C Python, like this.
yes, sir.
Okay, so now we have a completed. It's like we have learned how to create like models and package, right? Everything we have learned. Just I'm going
Yes, sir.